Mallet cake, one of the best delicious gluten-free cake you can make. It's mallet and some people call it hers. As you see, you can cut smaller pieces. It can be with coffee or tea, and all is gluten-free, no sugar at all. In beginning, 250-gram mallet, I wash it 2 times, then I keep it overnight, minimum 20 hours in water. When it's soaked, it becomes very soft. After 24 hours, I add it to our blender, 3 whole eggs. Then I can give pinch of salt, which increase or enhance the flavor. Pinch of salt, then 1 spoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoonful of cinnamon, 1 teaspoonful of baking soda or baking bicarbonate soda. You can see this bicarbonate. Then I added half cup of honey. You can substitute it with normal sugar or any sugar the doctor tell you can use it, like inulin, erythritol. And then half cup of fresh milk or fresh cream or any type of juice, you name it. Then we blend it at least 3 minutes to be very smooth. You can see it's mixing, and you keep it in high speed for 3 minutes to be very, very soft. Later on, we added 40 grams of butter, melted butter. You can add it oil, you can add it coconut oil, any fat you love. Then we blend it again for 3 minutes to make sure that all smooth, all emulsify. Here we go. And then I have my food pan, spray with butter or oil, and then we bake it 180 degrees. It takes 40 minutes. I have to preheat the oven at least 10 minutes before I bake the cake. After 40 minutes in 180 degrees, you have the most delicious gluten-free cake. You can add it direct when it's hot. Normally I added honey, which make it so soft and so delicious. Any type of honey you can add it, or maple syrup. I prefer honey, it gives more aroma and flavor. That's it. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Please watch all our gluten-free videos. Thank you.